In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Benzinga Pro Short Interest. We'll keep it simple and practical so you can quickly find the data you need and understand what it means. Short interest is a powerful sentiment indicator that shows how many shares have been sold short and not yet covered. When you combine it with short percentage of float and days to cover, you get a clearer picture of potential pressure on a stock. Let's start with the fastest path for a quick check. Click any ticker to open its page, then open the details panel. If it's collapsed, expand it so you can see more fundamentals and key stats. Now scroll until you find short interest, short percent of float, and days to cover. Short interest tells you the total number of shares that are currently short. Short percent of float shows what portion of the tradable float is shorted, which normalizes the data across companies of different sizes. Days to cover, sometimes called short interest ratio, estimates how many days it might take short sellers to buy back their positions based on average volume. As a rule of thumb, higher short percent of float and higher days to cover can indicate elevated squeeze risk, but always consider context, like recent news, catalysts, and overall liquidity. Use this quick glance before entering a trade or when validating a thesis on a ticker you're already watching. Now, for the best method to find ideas across the market, open the scanner. Here you'll add filters so you're not hunting ticker by ticker. Add short percent of float to surface stocks with meaningful short positioning. Add float to control for the size of the tradable share pool. Smaller floats can move more sharply. Then add volume to ensure there's enough liquidity for your strategy. Adjust these filters to match your risk tolerance and time frame. For example, you might focus on higher short percent of float to find potential squeeze setups, pair it with a moderate or lower float to increase sensitivity to buying pressure, and use volume to keep your list tradable during regular hours. This combination helps you narrow a broad universe into a manageable watch list that aligns with your style, whether you're scanning for momentum, volatility, or potential reversals. To wrap up, use the details panel when you need an instant read on a single ticker, and use the scanner with short percent of float, and volume when you want to systematically discover opportunities. Treat these metrics as signals, not guarantees, and always confirm with price action, news, and risk management.